I took this class because I've had challenges in hiring subcontractors and people to do work for me and actually doing what I've asked them, and I don't have enough knowledge to be able to guide them, and now I feel like I do. I could handle all the tools now. I mean, I know how to keep myself safe and use the equipment. Saws were pretty scary. I've never used a drill before in my life, and this has been a very exciting, empowering opportunity for me. I bought a cabin a few years back up here in the North Georgia mountains, and there's a lot of fencing, there's a lot of decking, and I am excited to go home and fix the railings and things that are falling off, so I can do that myself now. The instructors are so fantastic. They empower us, they teach us, they work with us, and then we know how to work together as a team. I was on the deck group project, and we had such a fantastic team. I mean, we knocked that thing out, we worked together, and it's been really exciting to be able to step away from the instructors and work with the other women and accomplish things on our own. You'll leave here with a very good knowledge and a comfort level.